Good morning, and welcome here and during B-Motion Festival 2019. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Good morning, Laura. Yes, I'm Gwen Hsin-Yi Chang from Taiwan. I'm representing the National Kaohsiung Center of the Arts Weiwuying in southern Taiwan. And this is my first time being in Italy and also my first time in Bassano del Grappa to discover B-Motion Festival.
Thank you. One of the days you said curiosity is the key to explore any kind of possibility. So would you like to can it be meaningful to use curiosity to help audience to reach dance?
I think curiosity is that important element for everyone, and not only for artists or for the people who work in dance world. And I think how to make an audience to be curious is the responsibility as an artist and as a producer, a presenter. So for instance, in our center in Weiwuying, we arrange a lot of activities and like workshops and also lectures, and to benefit more public and from very young kids and till elder generation, and to have the access or easier access for them to discover how the arts can be part is part of the daily life.
Okay, thank you. How do you bridge artists and the public?
Yeah, as I said that we arrange a lot of workshops and also the public engagement activities. That I think we think these workshops or this public engagement is the bridge between artists and also between audience. And as a producer or presenter is also a very important connection and also the bridge between artists and also between audience. And I think for example, that we present not only performances on the stage, but also through different aspects, like work in progress. We open a studio and to welcome audience to come inside and to meet the artists. And also we have a open space called Banyan Plaza, which is every day opened, and so public can come in and just spend their time there. And so normally on weekends, we also present or organize many activities to engage families and also invite artists to give workshops or their expertise to audience there.
Thank you. Just the last question. How can this project then become sustainable?
How to dance? Or
the project?
The project. Well, yes, I think how to be sustainable, that especially in the project side, I think the first thing is to meet the right person and also the right partner. That we have we share the same value. And then we have the same vision that we can develop together into the sharing direction. And so I think sustainable environment is very important for sustainable projects. That as we are a national institution in Taiwan, and what we want and aim at creating is a sustainable environment for artists, for public, and also for presenters, producers, and that we can continue our dialogue and also to picture together how which direction we would like to head to, and what kind of the future that we can live together with. So I think a sustainable project, it really depends on the dialogue and the the good communication between the right people together, and then we can talk about how we can create and sustainability together.
Thank you very much. Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you very much, Laura.